Welcome to CAIRSplan.com, the first online planning tool for corneal allogenic intrastromal ring segments. Dr. David Gunn and Dr. Brendan Cronin are proud to be able to release this huge update to the site with dozens of major and minor upgrades. This video will take you through many of the features of the site and how to use them. Logins. You can now create your own login account for the site. This enables you to have two enormous benefits. The first of which is that you can save the normal parameters that you may use for your CAIRS procedures. Coming soon will be a publication of the Brisbane nomogram, our nomogram that's customised for different levels of severity of keratoconus. The second advantage is that you have the ability to save previous plans so that you can come back and adjust them and use them for audit purposes. We do not have access to your saved plans. Your data is secure. Uploading. You can upload your topography by clicking the Upload button and then use our customized zooming tool to enable you to center the topography on the ring. This enables you to plan your procedure based on the patient's topography and facilitates visualization of where your segment will sit compared to the topographic irregularities. Incisions. The axis of your incisions and your incisions themselves are much more clearly labeled on the diagram now. The incisions are initially coupled at 180 degrees from each other, but can be uncoupled for customized segments, particularly for cases such as pellucid marginal degeneration, where you may want to insert a segment that is longer than 180 degrees. Customization. One of the biggest benefits of the new CAIRS planning tool is that you can now customize your segments. This enables you to customize not only the length of the section that is thinned, but also how much it is thinned. You can see here this is performed in the customization setting of the planner. This can be done for either the clockwise or the counterclockwise end of the segment. Importantly, only the first segment can be customized. We have done this because customization of a second segment is rare and we needed to keep the tool as easy to use as possible. Thinning of the central section of the segment is also possible, as is often required in cases of pellucid marginal degeneration. Surgical plan output. The output of your surgical plans has been dramatically improved. We now provide more information, but the most significant upgrade is that your topography will now reorientate on a surgical plan so that the topography and segment is flipped and in the correct orientation for a superior surgical approach. For patient safety and ensuring you operate on the correct eye in the correct orientation, we have added an image of a nose to make your surgery safer and the orientation of your segments easier. More information when planning. The new webpage also gives you additional information when planning your procedure to make the process faster, easier, and safer. Your tunnel width is automatically calculated, as is your segment width and thickness, to ensure that you have an adequately proportioned tunnel for the size of the segment you are going to insert. For users of Zima lasers, the segment length in degrees is automatically calculated for you to make planning on the Z8 laser even easier. MS39 users. Users of the MS39 corneal topographer have requested a feature to reduce the opacity of the topography to facilitate visualization of the CAIRS segment, particularly for topography where settings use a significant range of blue hues. This has been added in the customization setting. Remember, there are numerous customizations that are available to enhance the width and visibility of different parameters on the planning tool. Remember to use these to your advantage. Visibility and planning. The tool now automatically adjusts segments to match the radius of curvature of the planned segment to sit in an appropriate position within the tunnel. Again, this facilitates accurate surgical planning and allows you to use more nuanced and customized nomograms, such as the Brisbane nomogram. Working on the CAIRS plan tool has been somewhat of a labour of love for Dr. David Gunn and myself. We're very proud to present this enormous update to you. We hope you find it a useful tool in your practice.